absolutely amazing 13 days, I think it's been.
I believe so. I believe you're correct.
I don't want to have to pay.
And none of this would have been possible without
iPod, here it comes again.
the big man right here.
Uncle Pedro! Uncle Pedro!
Cofaso.
T.O.P.
Miss Sullivan. Mr. S.
Do not bend your eyebrows. Do not bend your eyebrows.
Mr. Escobar. Tambo, who was not. We will get to Nick. We have 15 elephants waiting outside. With gypsies. But thank them very much, and my friend Vince would like to talk about Nieves. I feel we made an instant connection. Great bond. And I was
Zoom in on Nieves.
but you have proved me wrong. In our 6 days together, no offense to the St. Ignatius community, I have learned more than my 3 years of history. So we would like to thank you, Nieves, and a toast to the best story I've
Beautiful Nieves! Final thoughts? Uncle Faso, what would you like to say?
Talk about how great it was.
What do you want to say?
Jack, thank you very much for your words. We have yet 2 more weeks of you.
Everyone, please. You guys missed the speech of the lifetime.
Yeah, what's so important in the bathroom that you couldn't be here?
You guys just missed the toast to Nieves and
Talk about me.
She's right.
Nieves. Doner kebabs with Nieves.
Vince,
I love Nieves.
this is the longest video ever.
I doubt that.
Do you pick Spanish?
Sometimes I like to pick a mess.
You guys have done an incredible
Did you
job.
pick up Spanish?
I need to commend you on Nieves was talking to me this evening on what a delight it has been for her to work with you. You guys have been attentive, with a little bit of work, but that's okay. That's my job. And Amy's and Esco's. Well, Tammy doesn't. Yeah,
She's taking the night off.
the attention part for her. She's like you guys, so that's okay. Tammy is asleep. She's a little tired. She's regenerating the batteries for later this evening. We're staying up all night tonight, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have a 4:30 a.m. wake up call, and at that point we might as well just go for a couple more hours. The adult team is working out some details about where we're going tonight. Okay. We're working on the details, and we'll let you know as soon as we have more info. Right now.